Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then tap on the more icon, and here you've got the camera timer. So it can be 2 seconds delay, and as you can see now it will be taken after 2 seconds. Then you can also choose 10 seconds delay. Just click on the icon and within 10 seconds the picture will be taken. And that's it. Then you can turn it off the same way, smoothly open the settings and click on disabled, so it's no longer active and the picture is grabbed right after the click. So this is it, that would be all. So you can smoothly and easily grab a picture with some delay. It's up to you if it's 2 or 10 seconds. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.